With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, they're asking, according to Allen's rule, the mammals from the colder climates have. Now, first of all, let's discuss what Allen's rule is. We all know that some of the living organisms have the ability to maintain homeostasis. By homeostasis, we mean a constant internal environment. And this is a very useful characteristic because if they have the ability to maintain homeostasis, then despite the unfavorable conditions or the changing ambient conditions, this organism will be able to maintain a constant body temperature even if the temperature in the environment is much higher or much lower. And similarly, despite the changing osmotic concentration in the environment, the composition of the body fluids or the osmotic concentration inside the body is going to remain stable. So mammals and birds, these are the two main groups that come under animals, which have the ability to maintain homeostasis, and they can maintain a constant body temperature, which means they're capable of thermoregulation. But despite this, if the conditions are very unfavorable, then it will be more and more difficult to maintain the constant internal conditions, because if we look at it with the point of view of energy, energetically, this will become a very expensive process. So, Allen's rule states that even though mammals are the warm-blooded animals, even though they can do thermoregulation, still, in the very cold climates, in places where the ambient temperature is very low, there generally we are going to find mammals having shorter ears and shorter limbs. What is the reason for this? Because if the extremities of their body are longer, that means that the surface area will be more, and because of this large surface area, the body heat will be lost very rapidly. So this is why generally we find that the animals living in very cold regions, the mammals over there, will generally be larger in size, because again, if they're very small, then the ratio of surface area and volume becomes higher and loss of body heat will be very rapid. And similarly, Allen's rule states that they will have shorter ears and shorter limbs, and here we are not talking about only specifically the ears or the limbs. All the extremities, if they have a tail, then tail also will be short for mammals that are living in the low temperature habitats. Why? So that they do not lose their body heat rapidly and they do not have to expend a large amount of energy in their metabolic processes to generate heat in order to maintain their constant body temperature. So over here for Allen's rule we will say option D is correct. Mammals from colder climates have shorter ears and shorter limbs in order to ensure that their body heat remains preserved and a constant body temperature can be maintained. Constant internal environment can be maintained despite the unfavorable ambient conditions.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.